To fix remote desktop not working in Windows 11, right-click on Start. Select Run. Type the following command in the Run box and press Enter. Scroll down and check your Windows edition. If you're using Windows Pro, Enterprise, or Education, continue with the next step. Click in Search. Type Allow an app through Windows Firewall and open it. Click on Change Settings. Scroll down and find Remote Desktop. Check the Remote Desktop option, then make sure both private and public options are checked. Click OK to save the changes. While you're in the same window, also make sure the following options are enabled: Network Discovery, Remote Service Management, Routing and Remote Access, and Windows Remote Management. Once you've enabled all of these, click on OK and close the window and try connecting to your computer again. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.